Well, look who finally decided to wake up. You've been quite elusive, but your skills make you worth the catch. You'll be perfect for the job. We've been having some issues with a group of thieves known as the Top Hat Clan. We know they're guilty, we just can't pin them to any crimes. You'll be going into the airship to bring them down. I don't need to remind you that we've got you on several charges. Attempting robbery, breaking yourself out of prison, and even stealing a Tunisian diamond. We've got quite a lot of counts on you. Do this job right, and we'll drop all charges against you. Charlie here will be bringing you close to the airship. The rest is up to you. Find a way to bring him down, and you'll be a free man. Hey, how do you want me to bring you in? Check, this is Charles. Just thought I'd give you a heads up. There's a guy down there, a bad guy. So, yeah. Good luck. Hey, good job there. Oh, so we should probably look for something incriminating. Something that we can use to prove that they're criminals, you know? I mean, the whole point of this operation. All right. No, we can't do that. Why not, man? You do realize how much a solid gold cannon would weigh, don't you? Dude, we totally got enough power. What do you think, man? Well, I'm still kind of new here, so I'm not really sure what to say. Oh, hey, you see that record sign? Where it says records? That'd probably be a good place to look, right? Let me just, help you get across that gap. Huh? Alright, here I come. Da 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 da. Alright, here it comes. Pardon. Okay, press the button. That guy knows how to open the door. Yeah, why don't you let me take care of this? This. Yeah. Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Falcon! Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Oh man, that duck just flew right into the propeller. Oh, what a mess. Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Oh, hello, Mr. Spider. Alright, you got some evidence. Oh, wait. There's no way you're getting through there. Lots of guys, and there's lots of guns. That's all I'm gonna say. It looks like you can get around if you go through that air duct. Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do? Okay. I don't understand what that means. Okay, shutting down the power now. Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do? Okay, I'll reroute the power to a random room, that's fine. No! Alright, Henry, you're almost there. I'm right outside, so just open the bay doors, and I'll, get you on the chopper. Hey, what are you doing? Yeah, we got a situation down in the cargo bay. There's a button on your earpiece. You should press it. What's going? This could be a problem.
Понравилось видео, ставьте лайки, чтобы не пропускать новые видео. И короче, который мне написал комментарий, я именно на том устройстве начал снимать видео. Я твое условие сделал, но, к сожалению, я не смогу снять футбольный менеджер, потому что слишком много мегабайтов. А плюс еще я передаю привет Яне и Полине, которые они мне хотели написать в комментариях. Так что всем пока.